cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this 2022 Alfa Romeo Stelvio, and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So some models of the Stelvio do come with the side panels chromed out. For this one, the vehicle already comes blacked out, but I'm going to show you guys how to go about with the installation with the different type of material. That way you guys have an idea of how to go about with the installation. So with that being said, let's get started with the installation. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panels. So all we need is water and baby shampoo mixed together in a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and make sure to remove any contaminants that all of the panels may have. And make sure once you're done prepping each panel, make sure that everything is completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel without lifting over time. We're going to start by aligning this section of the film to the front end of the panel. So just place the film to the chrome panel, that way it doesn't fall off. And just align it to the top edge here. We have this cutout design, that way you align it to this section of the panel. So tuck it in, place it down, and it should cover this whole entire panel like this. And you are going to have a little bit of excess material. This excess material is just to help you cover the edge of the panel here. And then when it comes to aligning the rest, you could use the lower half of the panel as a guide to align the rest of the film. So when it comes to doing the installation for this one and the top section of the panel for the front door, it's pretty easy. All we need to do is just make sure everything stays aligned, and we tack down everything to cover the panel. And if you need to readjust it, you can. Let's say it's off here, you could use either end. Just lift it carefully, adjust it, and cover the panel. Once you place the film down to the panel, the next step would be to grabbing your squeegee and start tacking down the film. Make sure you help remove any air that's trapped underneath the film. Help it tack down, secure everything, and then we're going to apply heat just so we could help the film start molding to the design of the panel. And then once we finish applying heat, then we can trim off any excess material. So just grab your heat gun, apply heat throughout the entire panel, and then we'll trim off the excess material. And then if you have excess material, like for example on the edge here, you would just trim it off right on the edge. Remove the film, apply heat just to help it seal on the edge. Look around on the top area. If you do have excess material, you would have to remove it. Just make sure you don't trim off too much excess material where you accidentally expose the chrome. So make sure you create a small outline. That way you have an idea of where you need to exactly trim off the material. So you're going to notice that there's a gasket and the panel. Follow the line in between the gasket and the panel. That's where you create your outline, and that's where you would trim off the excess material. And then just remove the excess material and you should be good. And then once you're done, apply heat to seal all of the edges, and then you can move on with the next piece, which is basically the same process when it comes to the installation. Okay, so like I mentioned, same process when it comes to doing the installation, like how we did it for the bottom. Repeat it for the top. Just place the film to the panel and start by aligning it to this edge first. You can have the door open just so you can have more room to work with. then just place the film, and you could use, like we did it for the bottom, align the film to the lower section of the panel. Use that as the guide in order to place the film and cover the chrome. Lift it carefully and just follow through until you reach to the top half. Okay, and then same process, grab your squeegee, make sure you tack down everything, secure it. With this one you could tuck in the film over the panel here, since the panel does curve inside the door. Make sure as long as that's covered, you should be good. And if you have any excess material, then you would trim it off. And when it comes to trimming, it's the same thing as how we did it here. There is a small gap on the top section here. Just make sure you find the gap in between the gasket and the panel you're working on. Create the outline with your finger. That way you have an idea of where you need to trim. And then just pass your blade. But first, before you trim any excess material, always remember to apply heat. That way the film starts molding to the design of the film and we don't accidentally shrink it too much where we expose the panel. Okay, so when it comes to doing the installation for this section of the panel, we're going to start off by placing the film to the panel, and we're going to start by aligning this section of the film to this curve here. So what you need to do is help align this edge of the film to the design of where the door opens. So align it roughly around here. So it has to kind of follow the design of the door. That way it looks like this. And make sure you give yourself enough material to cover the inside curve and also the outside curve. So if you need to lift it to readjust it, just lift it carefully and adjust it to the curve. So you should have coverage here and on the other end here. And then once this is secured, we're just going to keep aligning the film until we reach to the other end. So once you place the film, you would just continue with the same process. Grab your squeegee, help remove all of the air, and helping it tack down as well. That way we secure the film. And around this area here, we're just going to apply a little bit of heat and then use our finger to help it tack down around the curve. That way we avoid creasing it and having any fingers on this edge. So you could have the door open for this part, apply heat, and then once you apply heat, little by little, help it tack down. And then once you finish securing this whole curve, just apply heat to continue on, tacking down the rest of the film, and then we'll trim off excess material. So with this one, when it comes to trimming off the excess material, it's the same concept as how we did it for the top section here. There is a gap in between the gasket and the actual panel. Just follow that gap, create an outline with your finger, and once it's created, you're going to just gently apply your blade right on the edge, and you're basically tracing the outline. You're not going to apply too much pressure. Just take your time, and that should help with trimming off the excess material. And then once you completely trim off all the excess material on the top, just come back, apply heat to seal the edges in case it is lifting, and then do the same for the inside section of the panel. Trim off the excess material, apply heat, and then we'll move on to this piece. So now when it comes to installing the last piece that covers the lower section of the panel, with this one, align it exactly where you left off. If you want, you can overlap it just a little bit, but if you overlap it, you are going to see just where it meets. But if you do overlap it, just overlap it by a little bit. So if possible, just do it exactly where they meet. That way everything looks seamless on this area right here. And then once this is tacked down and aligned, just use the lower half as the guide to align the rest of the film. So if you need to readjust it, you can. Just make sure you have enough material to cover both ends. Once you place the film, do the same procedure. Grab your squeegee, tack everything down, help remove all the air. Be careful if you do have any fingers, approach them at an angle, that way we don't crease the film. And once everything's been tacked down, apply heat to start sealing the film and helping it mold to the design of the panel, and then trim off excess material. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation for the side panel is to post heat each panel that was worked on. So grab your heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and if there's still some film lifting around the edges, concentrate that heat just a little bit around that area. That way you're able to tack it down and secure it. So take your time applying heat all over the film, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the side panel chrome delete installation for the 2022 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of your upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.